All right, guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to take a door panel off of a 2024 Bronco. It'll be the same for 23, I'm sure. You got this one cover piece in here, a little hole there. You can probably see right there on top. Take a little flat pry tool, just pop that out, and then you'll pop this off. When you're wanting to pop this off, I like to take it to a little twist and then get a plastic pry tool like this guy here into it, and then you always want to go from the front first. If you go from the back, you're going to break a clip that's there. Pull from the front this way, and then there's 2 bolts in here, 2 down here and 1 there. After you have those done, grab where it says lift, just pop it out. Wiggle, and we're off. Just gotta remove the door handle wires and the 1 wire there that is for the locks.